y'all. I catch y'all.
See ya.
Yeah.
We messed up.
What's up? I got
Teddy, I know we had our differences, but you really showed me so much back there. But what are you gonna do now?
Daddy! Daddy!
Hey, hey, hey! ¿Qué están haciendo aquí?
Why are you speaking Spanish, Dad?
Hi.
Hi. I wanted to surprise you and take you to dinner. Hi, I'm Maria.
Oh.
These are our kids, James and Anna.
Oh my God. Oh my God. It's a pleasure to meet you. Especially after hearing all that you've been through.
Wait, what have we been through?
Honey, Teddy has to go. It's late.
No, Louis, stop it. It's okay. What do you mean? What have you been through? Crossing the border? Drinking out of cactuses? Surviving armadillos? The bats? Everything. He told us everything.
I don't know where he comes up with this stuff.
We came over on JetBlue.
I'm sorry?
And we didn't eat cactuses. They served carrot chips with mini pretzels.
Bad mini pretzels.